can rest assured of your child's excellent performance when you register your child with Janan Schools, Bombo Kalule Campus and Kabalagala. Due to their firm educational background, we have the best facilities in both arts and sciences, fully updated to the latest sector standards, right from Senior 1 to Senior 6, in an environment that offers a chance to apply practical skills in all fields. That include a computer lab, introducing our students to the tech world, a well-organized science laboratory, a fully stocked library with all the essential books a student may need, a model farm to equip students with all the basic knowledge in agriculture, plus extra vocational skills. We promote co-curricular activities in sports like badminton, table tennis, basketball, volleyball, chess, and many more other activities. Register your child today at both campuses in Bombo Kalule and Kabalagala campus. For more information, contact us on the numbers below.
There are some breakages we made, and I'm glad that my team implemented. Sometimes they may not be looking at what they are doing, but we will produce the first
Our vision is to reposition the kingdom at the helm of social and economic development, with people fully enjoying their freedoms. We call it okusaba. That requires us to rebuild the institutions which, in days gone, were the reasons we were seen as a prosperous, progressive community. If we are going to rebuild the kingdom, we need to do that efficiently, relying on the correct data, relying on the correct information, like both of you statisticians have said. That's why it's very important that we partner with an agency mandated by the state, that is Ubos, to provide national statistics. We live in the 21st century. We cannot depend on guesswork if we are going to develop our communities.